Hello all. So what we have here today is a Chevrolet Volt keyless door opening button, and the part number is 810978. This is common problem that those buttons goes down, stops working, and we will try to fix it. So let's test it. I connected tester on the beep mode. I'm trying to push it. Nothing happens. It's dead. There are replacement buttons on the eBay, but I will try to fix this one. Already started to remove this thing, so we'll try to remove this glue or gum completely, and we'll check what is inside, if it is possible to repair somehow, to replace the micro button or something like that. We'll see. I'm removing this gum with the screwdriver and with the hands. A big part is already out. So let's continue like this. Okay, I have removed most of the black thingy, and what we have here, we have 4 plastic locks which is holding the PCB, I think. We'll see if we have more this black thing inside under the PCB. And what we have here, we have this kind of rubber, and we have this button here. I was expecting that there will be a micro button which I could resolder, but now I see that it is like some kind of plastic tape, and this metal piece and the contacts on the PCB. Okay, let's try to remove this tape from the PCB. Oh, we have a lot of corrosion inside it, and seems that this plastic tape will no longer stick here, so we'll need to think what to do. Let's try to clean it a little bit. Okay, so let's test if the contacts are connecting to the wires or corrosion also made a problem for the PCB. It's very not comfortable, but I will try to check. Yes, here we have continuity, so blue wire connects okay, and the middle point is also connecting. So theoretically button should work now. Still, I will try to put some solder onto these two spots, which goes to PCB, just to make sure that they are connecting good. Okay, I see a little soldering ball came out from this little hole in the middle. So I think it's good. It should have good contact. There is corrosion damage in the middle, so might be that it will not last very long, but we'll try. To hold this plastic in place, I will try to stick it with the double-sided tape, really very small size of double-sided tape. Okay, I added double-sided tape. Just need to remove protecting layer and glue everything back. Let's check if I will be able to do that. Okay, and let's push it down. So, is it clicking? Yes, we have click now. Okay, it works. Okay, so I will try to use Sol SP5 polyurethane sealant. I do not know is it good, and I cannot recommend it. I just have it and I will use it. What I will do differently than it was originally done, I will put sealant before this rubber, and because I think that water leak came from between this rubber and between this plastic, so I will put sealant everywhere here and will push it into these two holes to cover those holes. So maybe it will be improvement or not. So sorry for the mess. The sealant was stuck in both ends, so I made a hole. Also I will try to put sealant here. But not very much, that it would not go inside moving part of the button. Now let's push down the PCB. Let's test it while we can. It works. Now I will cover everything in this sealant. Those holes and all the PCB. I do not know how I will wash the hands, but I don't care this at the moment. Again, sorry for the mess. I understand that nobody is doing like this, but it was a quick decision to make it such brutal. And I will leave the button for a couple days. And here it is, a couple days later. It's solid and clicking just fine. Let's test. It works. Thanks for watching.